In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your calendar in Outlook. If you manage meetings, deadlines, or family events, sharing your calendar is a simple way to keep everyone on the same page. We'll walk through it from start to finish so you can safely give others the right level of access. First, go to Microsoft.com in your web browser. This is the official Microsoft website, and from here you can reach Outlook on the web. On the home page, look for the All Microsoft menu. Click All Microsoft to open the full list of Microsoft products and services. Next, click Outlook. This takes you to Outlook on the web, where email and calendar live together. To continue, click Sign In. Make sure you sign in with the Microsoft account that holds the calendar you want to share, such as your work, school, or personal account. Once you're in, click Calendar. This switches you from mail to the calendar view so you can work with your schedule. On the calendar page, click Share. The Share option opens a panel where you control who can see your calendar and what they can do with it. Depending on your layout, it may appear near the top right and might be labeled Share or Sharing as the interface evolves. Enter the email address or contact name of the person or people you want to share your calendar with. As you type, Outlook typically suggests contacts, which helps you pick the right person. Double check names and addresses so invitations reach the right people, especially in large organizations with similar contacts. You can add multiple recipients if you want several people to have access at once. Now choose what each person is allowed to do with your calendar. You'll see options that control permissions. If you select View, they can see your events according to your visibility settings, but they won't be able to change anything. If you select Edit, they can add, modify, or delete events on your calendar, which is helpful for assistants or teammates who manage scheduling with you. Take a moment to pick the level that matches your needs. When you're ready, click Share. Outlook sends the sharing invitation to the people you selected. They'll receive a notification, and once they accept, they'll be able to view or edit your calendar based on the permissions you chose. And you can always revisit the same Share panel later to review who has access and adjust permissions as your needs change. It's a simple change that can save time and reduce scheduling conflicts. That's it. Your calendar is now shared. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.